Hello friends! We are talking about the safari or grasslands habitat this week. The safari is a place that has lots and lots of different animals that live on it, and it might be dry and hot, but not as dry and hot as the desert. I have some animals here I'm going to show you. Whoa! What is this animal? You know what this guy is called? He's too tall for even the camera. This guy is a giraffe. Giraffes have super long necks and really tall legs. And they also have a really long tongue. And their tongues are blue. They have blue tongues. What color is your tongue? Is it blue? No, your tongue isn't blue. Giraffes all have different spots. No two giraffes are the same. Just like we have different fingerprints that set us apart from someone, giraffes have different spots. A tiger might live in the grasslands plain or the safari. Let's see who else we have. We have this guy. Who's this guy? This is a zebra. Did you know that zebras like to sleep standing up? Maybe he's sleeping right now. Is he sleeping? Do we sleep standing up? No, we like to be nice and cozy in our beds. And I also have this guy. Who's this guy? The lions. Do you know that lions like to sleep or rest or lay around for 20 hours a day? There are only 24 hours in a day, and they like to sleep and rest 20 hours. They're pretty lazy animals. You better tell them to get up and get moving, Mr. Lion. Somebody else who might live on the safari or grasslands plain is an elephant. An elephant. When elephants get hot, they flap their ears to cool down. They have really big ears, and they can flap them to cool themselves down. That's pretty neat. I have a story called African Adventure, which is about the safari habitat. In Africa, the grassy plains are vast and dry and hot. I see a zebra. They're teeming with wild animals. There really are a lot. What do you see here? Lots of different animals. I see giraffes. Their spots are not the same. Remember, all giraffes are different. Here's a herd of elephants. They're bulky, big, and gray, and yet they seem so gentle as they wander on their way. A happy hippopotamus lies lolling in a pool. Look at the hippo. The mud and water keep its skin so smooth and moist and cool. You might also see ostrich on the safari. The zebra and the antelope seem peaceful side by side. Yet as they graze, they're wary of the nearby lion pride. Look at the lion family. A mama lion, a daddy lion, and 3 baby lions. The lions look so scary, they hunt to get their meat, but only when they're hungry and they need some food to eat. A group of tall giraffes are browsing heads up in the sky. Their long necks reach the treetops where luscious leaves grow high. You see their big long tongue getting those leaves? Their tongue is blue. Rhinoceros have 2 tough horns and skin that's very thick. If they start to charge you, you'd better back off quick. The cheetah chases antelope. It's spotted, lean, and fast. No creature sprints as swiftly. Just see it speeding past. There's the antelope. Baboon troops go out foraging for tasty grassland snacks. The little babies ride upon their busy parents' backs. Look, they're riding on the back. We've seen some grassland creatures on our trip across the plain. You might just spot some others if you make the trip again. Did we see all of these animals in our story? The wildebeest, the jaguar, the leopard, the vulture, the meerkat, the ostrich, the warthog. Those are all animals that might live on the safari. I'll talk to you soon.